Iron is a metal, you see it every day. Oxygen eventually will make it rust away. Carbon in its ordinary form is coal. Crush it together and diamonds are born. Come on and meet the elements. May I introduce to my friends the elements. Like a box of paints and one mixed to make every shade they use. Combine to make a chemical compound and stand alone and they are. You and I are complicated.